Did you know you don't need to create your own bounty to make money on Pump.fungo? In fact, thousands of dollars in rewards are available for people who simply complete tasks posted by other users. Whether you are good at making videos, creating memes, writing tweets, coding, or even completing simple online tasks, this platform lets you earn crypto for your skills. In our previous video, we showed you how to create a Pump.fungo account and open your first bounty. In this video, we'll show you the other side of the platform, how to make money by completing bounties posted by other users. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. Pump.fungo is essentially a crypto-powered freelance marketplace. Instead of looking for jobs on traditional platforms, users post bounties with crypto rewards. The rewards is locked in escrow before the bounty goes live. Once your submission is approved, the payment is released directly into your wallet. Now let's see how you can earn from it. Now let's head to pump.fun/go. If you've watched our previous tutorial, you already know how to set up your account. Once connected, you are ready to start looking for paid tasks. So here is the landing page. On the home page, you will find different bounties. Just tap on bounties to see all of them. Some bounties include creating videos, posting on X, making memes, graphic design, and others. Each bounty clearly shows the reward, the deadline, the number of submissions, and task requirements. Now don't just choose the highest paying bounty. Instead, ask yourself, can I actually complete this? Do I have the required skills? Can I finish before the deadline? Sometimes a smaller reward with fewer competitors is easier to win than a huge bounty with hundreds of submissions. Now select a bounty you can actually complete. Let's take this for an example. Quit your job on camera. You can see the reward. The reward is $3,162. The time left is 4 days and 3 hours with a total of 16 submissions. Just tap on it to open it. Now you need to read the description, walk into work and quit your job on camera. How you do it is up to you. Read every instructions carefully. Some bounties require a specific hashtag, tagging certain accounts, original content, minimum video length, or screenshot as proof. Each bounties require different things. So these are the deliverables. These are what is expected of you. Uncut video of the full resignation moment, workspace context clearly visible, verbal or written resignation clearly. Make sure you read everything before proceeding to make the video or to do what is required of you. Now complete the task as requested. Don't rush. High quality submissions have a much better chance of getting approved. Remember, quality usually beats speed. Once you are done with all this, scroll up, then tap on submit work. Now confirm bounty deliverables. Check each requirement. Once your submission includes evidence for it, just tap on all of it. Read the content guidelines and proceed to attach your file and every other thing required of you. Once you've done, review everything, then tap on submit. After submission, the bounty enters the review stage. Pump.fun reviews submission against the bounty requirements and approved entries receive the reward from the escrow fund. Once approved, the reward is sent directly to your wallet. Now if you want to maximize your earnings, you have to apply early before too many people join. Focus on bounties that match your skills. Submit high quality work, follow every instructions, and build a good reputation by consistently delivering quality submissions. The better your work, the higher your chances of winning future bounties. Also keep in mind that not every submissions win. Always read the rules. Never submit copied content. Never use fake screenshot or AI generated work if the bounty specifically requires original content. Only participate in tasks you are comfortable completing. And that's exactly how you can start making money on Pump.fungo. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on quality videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Bye for now and see you in our next video.